Today I'm going to show you how to share the screen of your iPhone with your computer without using any USB cable. All you have to do is download teamViewer and Quick Support, and you could just share your screen using Quick Support ID on your laptop. All you have to do is type in this to your browser. So I'm gonna put on this and I share the screen. After typing up your ID, you click on connect. This is what you have to do. You go to your control center, click and hold, and you go on teamViewer recording. And if you need the mic on, you have to choose the mic on. If you don't need the mic on, then you have to put the mic off. So you click on start. It's going to count, and you have to go back to Quick Support. And you have to click on allow. On your laptop, you click on share screen, and it's gonna open the screen of your phone, and whatever you do on your phone, you could access it to your laptop. It's very simple. That's all for today. Thank you.